Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So we can see that on the monthly chart, Bitcoin is got some gains, actually substantial gains. It is a little bit in the red, but I think if we reach 1656, 1656, this bubble will switch to green. So we're not that far. We're about $40, $45 away from close a green candle. So if you're ever interested, you can go to this website. It's I find it's pretty neat. The website address is cryptobubbles.net. So if we go to the weekly, we can see that we had quite a green week up to now, and daily today we're still green. So I find it start well a day when we have green everywhere in the screen. So this following week we have our first Fed meeting, and so it's going to be next Friday at 2 p.m. and then we're expecting, actually market is expecting a 0.25 percentage increase of the interest. So for sure that if we are getting a 0.5 increase, it's going to have a strong impact in the market and in a negative way, and you will see a lot of red. If it actually happen to be the 0.25, then I believe I'm pretty sure that the 0.25 it's already priced in the market, so you will not see any volatility. So also we need to be aware that there are many earning reports. So we have Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple. So those are the big four. So if the earnings are not positive, which I think maybe, they will not be that positive, I think. We will see. Maybe it's going to make move the market in a negative way. But if they have positive earning, well, yeah, actually you never know. So just be aware. Friday, potentially a lot of volatility. Yeah. That's about it for the news. After that, we have a quick recap on the S&P. Now I am on the 1 hour. Let me go maybe on the daily chart so we have a better view of what's happening. So we were on this downtrend channeling, widening channeling, and then now for the first time since we started to do this pattern, this was the beginning of January 2022, so that's more than 1 year, and for the first time we actually close higher than this downtrend line, so 2 days in a row. So if that is the case, maybe we're going to have a small bull market season or a period, maybe a few weeks. And then let me put the next reference here. It would be the next resistance. It would be here. So let's be aware that if the price move up, S&P 500 first resistance, it's at this level, which is 4,327. Now, if I go to the CME, we can see that we did quite a spike. This trend line is the MA 200, and we have a gap here that we didn't close. We have a bigger one here, and it's about near the 28,000, and we have another gap higher. So if I add these gaps to my Bitcoin chart, so this is a gap that we didn't close yet, the one on blue. So the CME gap, I put them in a blue. And if I scale out a little bit, we can see that the next gap higher, it's about 28,000, which is kind of concur with a normal overshooting wave C should go about. So that's really, makes sense. And we have many reasons to find that price should go there. Also, There are many experts that they say maybe we're going to go and reach the $19,000 or 19,500. Well, that's another reason, is because we have a gap that hasn't been closed, and this is the ideal target for the wave 4 if this was a wave 3. And if we completed the wave 3, or maybe we didn't complete it yet, and this is a 1 and a 2 and a 3, and we're doing a 4 and a 5, and this could complete the wave 3. So we will see how it goes, but yeah, we cannot think, we just need to try to read the chart. So I can only analyze what the chart is trying to tell me, if you want, and you try to read the market. So it doesn't matter what I think or what I think Bitcoin should do. It doesn't really listen to me or anyone else. So no one knows if we saw already the lower low of this bear market. These are only opinions, and until we officially didn't see the lower low, well, it's anybody guess. So now with this price action, a new one, the latest one, I can make a downtrend line here. So maybe this is like creating a triangle, and this pattern usually it's bullish because it's continuation of the trend. But we will see what it's going to do. If I do this, then I can. Well, I already did it before, but I thought it was starting to do an A, B, C, D, E. So now I would say that, yeah, maybe we completed the E. The E can go even a little bit higher, but we are not allowed to break the B level. So if it goes higher, then it's going to invalidate this pattern. So if we actually reverse soon and we go lower, and we end up to be near this green uptrend line, then yeah, I would say we are bang on this prediction. I think let me see just the indicator, just the 1 hour, to see what are the trends. So the MACD, we're losing momentum. Are we going to do a bearish crossover? It's to be determined. We will see in a few hours, I guess, or a few days. And then the RSI, it's still in the oversold area, but it's decreasing a little bit, but it can still go higher. It's not because it's oversold that it has to reverse. So this is all for Bitcoin recap of the day. I'm expecting big volatility next week, so just prepare. And if you are already some longs position, maybe you want to manage your risk and put some sell stop limit tight, so that you keep your profits. All right, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then if you feel like, leave some comments. Have a good Sunday.